Good. I don't know if it's evening, night, or what. Welcome to my late owl vlog. It is 10:40 in the night. Just to show you, because I learned something important. A lot of times people make vlogs and everything and pretend that it's something when it's not. So anyway, yes, this is me late night. I'm crafting. I'm actually trying to catch up on my planner. I'm creating my August display. I am watching videos, very old music videos. I put the music down. Anyway, I'm going to do this, and I will show you things that I love to do when it's a day off and it's late. So let's finish this first. Today we were busy doing other things with my husband, and I didn't finish putting this laundry mess and a lot of things that I have here away. So let's do this right now. And I'm being very quiet because my husband is already sleeping. I got this disorganized. This is my pal that needs to go to the bedroom, but I would not go. He's sleeping. This is to iron with the other cloth that I have for tomorrow. Here I have garbage to put away, and I will kind of clean a little more this area. I came to bring everything to the kitchen, and I will not be washing anything. We did popcorn. This kind is delicious. I think we ate way too much. Anyway, we can now make too much noise, so I will leave everything ready here. I have my dishes also. Just finish these, and I will take off them tomorrow, because if I begin to take everything, it will be a lot of noise. I bought these. It's like banana chips. Oh, very addictive. Be careful about that. They taste delicious sometimes. Need to drink something. Iced tea. I don't have a lot left, so I will do right now more iced tea for tomorrow. I'm waiting for the water to be ready, and then I put the tea there for 6 minutes. While I'm doing that, I'm trying to tag this little mess that I have here right now, so tomorrow I don't have to worry about cleaning the table. Now I will wait for this to get ready, and I will let it cool down just there. So we will back when the 6 minutes is out. I'm been testing my printer because I haven't used for so long time, and I want to see if I can use again to do my crafting. And I tried on regular paper, and I tried in glossy paper, and I still having a line there. I keep doing cleaning and it's still not working. But I will use these pictures for at least this one is going on my planner, on my house management, and this was for memory keeping, but they are really not so good. I will do a new cleaning tomorrow. I will not do it today because it's too loud. And also was this in the size. I have this clear paper, but I think I will get a new planner thing. These ones, I don't know, I think I want something bigger. I will show you what I used to. Okay, this is the old one. As you can see, it's okay size, but the pictures sometimes keep coming out. I have a lot of little things. I used to do with a monthly subscription that I had, and I really enjoyed these. Memory keeping and everything. Oh, my frosty. And things that I have here, then I have like different kind of things that I add. I love this. And I'm gonna do this on my regular planner because all these extra stuff that I put makes really thick, and my planner will not close in that way. So see, it's like too flimsy, and a lot of times it's like falling away. So what I want to do is look for a bigger planner, also a little more secure than this one. These are the ones that I had. I still have some of the clear papers, but I will see. So this is from Aliedor, so I will put it that way. I hope you can see. And they have one of the subscriptions that they have is Stories by the Month. It's $16 if you paid 12 months. And this is what it brings. It's a lot. So it has like let me see, where is the description? Where is what it comes? It doesn't have a description. The journal card, the stamp set, and adhesive clipper sheet. I don't see a stamp. This is stamp there. I didn't see a stamp. I know that it used to send. Trying to see where it is. Okay. I really don't know where is the stamp of this one. I will have to look for videos about that. And also I was looking for albums, and I think it was this. No. Stories, I think it's this. It's a very thick one. And it has 7, but it's 7 complete like that. Then it has 7 of these and 7 of these. I don't know if I like the idea of all like that, or all in the same way. It has different the price also goes up depending on how many extra you have. It's on sale for $25.49, and it has 5 of these. I don't like that one. I'm sorry, but I don't like it. So let's see what I do. We'll see. I have to make my mind. Let's see. I will do my research and decide if I subscribe or not. really late now, and well, it's really dark, but I went downstairs. I didn't bring the camera because it didn't make sense. It's hard to see. And I went to get more of my laundry. I know what I have here. I put on the living room so I can move. And I will iron this while I'm watching Little Love videos.
So we don't roll in blind. It's outside of town, and we had been there before, and it's a really cool town, so we wanted to look.
I will continue ironing and watching videos, and I will see you when I finish this part. Okay, it is. I made a mess again between drinking tea and drinking something. I'm going to log off from my computer. I was downloading a book and I noticed that it's without battery, so I'm recharging and I will be going to sleep. So tomorrow I will film how goes my day, and will be a new day. Yeah, it's almost 2 in the morning, so I better go to bed now. I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.